Hi, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today for this very special unboxing of a wonderful Prada bag. Before we jump into the video, let me introduce myself. So my name is Natalia and I am self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, luxury handbags, styling outfits and all the fun stuff that we women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below. And if you consider yourself a shopaholic like me, please give a like to that video so I feel like I'm not alone. Now we can go into unboxing of this beautiful special piece from Prada, which I got. It was maybe kind of impulse purchase, but I saw it, I just couldn't leave it alone there. So for the start, let's just take a moment, or let's just take moments through the whole video to appreciate all the details of packaging and all the details and thoughts that are put into everything. Like even that shopping bag that they gave you is like I don't know, embossed inside with those patterns. It's so beautiful. And that tiny ribbon here, like, you know, I enjoy all those little details. So let's get into this. Let's take that beautiful ribbon off. So here we have a beautiful box. So the details and beauty is just continuing. It's the very, very beautiful, very sturdy box. It's like, it feels like it's a leather box. I don't think it is a leather box, obviously, but it feels like Saffiano leather, which is very, you know, signature leather for Prada. And I have more ribbons. By the way, if you know the Prada stuff, you might already know what is inside that box, because I was told that this box is special for this bag and it comes only with this bag. So if you already know, type down in the comments if you know what kind of bag is this. So should I open it first? It's so beautiful. Like I love those details, those ribbons, those boxes, packaging. And I enjoy luxury shopping just because of that experience. Not only, I mean, not just because, but because of those experiences make it even more special, and I like it even more. Not only because the pieces that I get, but by the whole experience, by how they treat you. I rather go to the stores that treat me well. So let's get into the bag, into that beautiful box. So the ribbon. Yeah, that takes some time. You know, the beautiful things, they require some time. So let's be patient. So, okay. So we have the ribbon. And in this beautiful box, we have a bag, which I never thought I would be able to get my hand on, but I will tell you the story a little bit later. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have, oh, okay. That is falling apart. Okay, so we have the papers first, which I forgot, and there is some other paper falling off. So here we have the beautiful re-edition Prada crystal bag. Okay, let's take a moment. That's the beauty, and I hope the lights are, you know, doing their job to show you the amazing shine that you cannot take your eyes off the bag once you see it. How it sparkles, how it shines. I love the shine, I love the glitter, I love the sparkle, whatever. Like, give me that crystal and I love it. As far as I know, that bag is extremely hard to get. And I start to think, if I am so incredibly lucky when I travel and I get so many hard to get pieces, or I'm just that stupid that I believe that I am so lucky. But let's start with the story, how I managed to score this beauty. So as you know, I was traveling and I went for shopping in Rome. And I went to a department store. There was a Prada boutique, and I just walked in, and then I saw that, you know, bag on the display there sitting. And I was like, wow, is it really like for sale? Like they have it? I thought that wasn't even available. And I remember this bag, like probably many people on YouTube know about this bag from Kathy Thorpe. And I remember she was telling that she pre-ordered that bag maybe a year ago, if I am right, and she got the bag beginning of this year, maybe January, February, and she unboxed, and I remember looking at it, I was like, it's so beautiful, oh my goodness. But first of all, because it was a rare pre-order piece, so I even didn't think I would even bother myself. And at the time, I even didn't have any single luxury bag. That was maybe February, like we are talking, and I didn't have any single bag, and I couldn't travel, and like, you know, that was something out of question for me, that even trying to get that bag. And of course, I was thinking I will get something, you know, more leather, more like less trendy, you know, something like proper, not really a crystal shiny bag. And then a few weeks ago, I think Cassie was talking about this bag again, and I started to, like, for a curiosity, look up the Vestiaire collective for this bag. And you know, the bag retails there for like around 2,000 euro, and I was like, okay, that's too much for a crystal bag, which is kind of trendy. And I was like, no. And also, I'm like this, as I just said, that I enjoy the store experience, and if I can buy a bag from a store, I would never go for pre-loved market. Maybe that's most of the people that they do. Or anyway, if I am supposed to, like, even save, you know, 200 euro on a bag that costs 1,500, I will go to the store. Like I prefer that, and that peace in mind, and that experience and everything. So I was like, okay, 2,000 is a lot. Okay, no, thank you. And then I saw this bag, and I thought that it actually retails for around 2,000 euro. And I asked, and it was 1,300 euro, which I at the time was like, okay, something which is just above 1,000 euro. It sounds like not very expensive for luxury bag. So I was like, oh, so maybe I should actually think about it. So I was looking at it, and they said that they actually had pre-orders for this bag, and people did not take the bag. And he said he can keep it for a few hours, and I actually, like, you know, took myself out of the store, and I walk around there, and I was like really trying to, like, you know, make some rational decision, not like really impulse purchase. So after, you know, 2-3 hours, I came back for this bag, and they said that they had 2 of them. The lady said, like, I have new with a box and with everything, I will bring it to you. And they brought the bag, and I asked, like, oh, I thought that this is a so rare bag. And said, yes, but we have them that we have 2 of them which people ordered, but they did not buy eventually. So I don't know. That was what they told me. And in Manchester, I saw a pink one, and I just, you know, wanted to ask about it and see, like, you know, I thought that, and I, so I asked the guys if it's, you know, normal to just find these black ones in the store. And he said, no, black is pretty rare. So you were quite lucky. So that's the story. And I'm like wondering if this is really that rare, or or they are just playing you that way, that, you know, they actually have them, but they are trying to make you feel special that you found the bag, and you are just jumping on it. So when I came back, they brought a new one with a box, and they give that presentation. I will insert it here. It was so amazing. It made me feel very special also, how they treated, how they wanted to give me a new one, not the one from the display, how they presented the bag. So it was really nice experience. And also the Prada crystals, now they are coming, the new version of crystal bags. So I also have a little clip of this, which I saw in Manchester later. But this type of bag, that is nylon re-edition, doesn't come in this new crystals. Like, the crystals are very nice because they are bigger and smaller, and it gives more dimension, and it's really beautiful. But it's not this bag, it's the Clio bag, which I kind of hate. Like, that bag is to me so ugly. Like this, you know, piece of bottom that is visible here, I just don't understand why. And there's another one which is kind of square, but it's very small. So I'm actually really glad that I got this one. But anyway, I thought that that's my chance, because it's very unlikely that I will actually be able to see the other bag, because when I was buying this one, it was before the new crystals were released, and the guy in the store told me that they don't know if this bag will come in this new crystal version. They know that Clio will come in that new edition of crystal bags, and they don't know, and that did not come. Eventually it did not come, and I prefer this one, I prefer this style, and so I'm really glad. And what can I say? We just have to look at this and appreciate. And you know, it's not also something that I bought completely blindly, because as I said, I was looking at this a few weeks earlier on Vestiaire, and also I got a nylon bag, like this kind of bag from H&M in the spring, and I was using it, and of course that it doesn't have crystal, it's just black nylon, but I wanted to try the style, how it works for me, and you know, if I use it. And it's actually very useful, very practical bag. The crystals make it very different, obviously, because, well, the full black nylon version is very different than the full crystal version. However, for me, this is not going to be an evening bag only or some special occasion bag. I'm going to wear this bag like on daily basis. And the way I'm going to wear it, actually, my outfit is pretty black today because of the bag, because the bag is taking the show, and that's how I'm planning to wear the bag actually. So let me just, you know, sneak in my outfit of the day. So today I was wearing full black look with black turtleneck, which is a little bit oversized or a bit loose, not maybe oversized. From the other story, and then I had black tights, black boots, and I had those tweed, Hanson tweed shorts from Zara. So that was the only like the focal point of the outfit. And then I was actually wearing black coat also outside. So it was very black with that pants, and I think like this bag will look amazing with this kind of outfit. So I'm planning to wear it on daily basis, as I said, but with outfits which are more tuned, more like black. I think that stands out with black amazingly. Of course, it can be used with many different colors, but that's how I'm planning to use the bag. You know, I am a girl that likes a lot of shine and sparkle, so this is not an evening or special occasion bag for me. This is everyday bag for me. That's how I roll, that's how I am. So this bag, yeah, of course, it has a lot of this shine. It is a little roomy actually inside. You can put a few items inside there. There is no pockets. Oh, there are actually those authenticity card and some other care booklets here. It has like silk lining. I don't know if it's silk, but it looks like silk. And there is no inside pockets, so it's just like this, and it has that tag Prada made in Italy. And of course it has this kind of tag or whatever charm here. So that's all for the video. I hope I managed to squeeze it under 10 minutes. I don't know why I usually talk so much, and too much probably. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you also love crystals and all this shiny stuff. And also if you know if that bag is really rare, or I was just stupid. But anyway, I'm happy, even if I was stupid believing that it's a special thing. I'm still happy I have it. As I said, I never thought I would be able to catch one of those. So really, really happy with that purchase. And yes, it's another birthday treat for me. All the unplanned purchases are my birthday treats. Thank you for watching, for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, maybe consider giving a like or leaving a comment. And until next time, take care. Bye.